As the building industry faces multiple challenges today, off-site construction, also known as prefabrication or modular construction, has emerged as a solution. As a leader in the building safety industry, the International Code Council offers multiple solutions to support the safe and efficient use of this evolving construction. The Code Council works directly with manufacturers to inspect, review, and evaluate modular and panelized systems for code compliance. It has also partnered with the Modular Building Institute to develop 2 standards that will guide all parts of the off-site construction process and beyond, from planning, design, fabrication, and assembly to inspection and regulatory compliance. Through these standards, the Code Council is delivering efficient, cost-effective solutions while maintaining its commitment to keeping buildings and communities safe. For owners and developers, modular construction can accelerate projects by as much as 50% and can cut costs by 20%. According to a recent study, by 2030, modular construction in the United States and Europe can deliver a savings of $22 billion a year on rework, redesign, material use, and labor costs. Around the world, similar levels of savings can also be achieved. As the industry continues to evolve, the shift from traditional building to efficient prefabrication requires major changes in how we think about and apply construction methods. Visit iccsafe.org/offsite for more information and learn how the Code Council family of solutions can help you navigate the modular construction process.